Guys, today I'm going to show you the new trending free way of converting your AI-built website to Elementor. So whether you built your site with Claude, Lovable, Gemini, ChatGPT Codex, Replit, or Bolt, the method I'm about to show you works perfectly. It also works with any WordPress plugin. So whether you're using Fluent Forms or WooCommerce products, it works. And like I said, it is 100% free. So the site you're seeing now is a website that I built with Lovable. And as you can see, it has JavaScript animations. I'm going to clone this website inside Elementor, and everything will look exactly the same. So to clone this homepage, for instance, I've come inside Lovable and given it this prompt. The prompt says, open quote, extract each section of the homepage as a self-contained HTML file. Each exported file must be a pixel-perfect reproduction of the original design, preserving all visual elements, layouts, styling, assets, animations, and interactive behaviors exactly as implemented. Begin with the hero section. All CSS must be vanilla CSS. I don't like base 64. Close quote. So now I'll click send for Lovable to begin. All right, Lovable has exported the hero section, and here it is. I'll simply click it and then download it. It's been downloaded. Now I'll head over to clone-to-elementor.com and open the app called Elementor HTML Converter. Then I'll drag and drop the hero section that I downloaded into the app. Next, I'll toggle Elementor JSON, and then I'll toggle Split.js. Although I've turned on only 2 options, the app is actually going to do 3 things. The first thing is that it's going to shield the Lovable design, the HTML we've imported here, from any style leakage. That's the first thing. The second thing is that it's going to convert the HTML into Elementor JSON. And thirdly, it's going to split the JavaScript so we can preserve all the animations. Without splitting the JavaScript, we'll lose every animation that comes with the design. So now I'll click the Convert and Analyze button. And just like that, our conversion is complete. We now have the shielded HTML, but to make life easier, I'll download the Elementor JSON. Now I'll go to my Elementor editor and drag and drop the template into Elementor. And there we have it. The hero section of our Lovable website is now right inside Elementor. But if you've noticed, you can see that the slider isn't working. The slider depends on JavaScript, and right now it isn't working. So this is what we currently have inside Elementor. And this is the original hero section inside Lovable. As you can see, the slider is working here. The background images and text slide beautifully. You can see that everything is working perfectly. Now, even if I publish the Elementor website and view it on the front end, you can see that the slider still doesn't work. So this is it, and the slider isn't working. To fix this, remember that we enabled Split.js earlier. Along with the Elementor JSON, we also have the JavaScript code. So what we need to do is copy the JavaScript code and then go to our WordPress backend. Next, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for WPCode. Here it is. I already have it installed and activated. Now go to Code Snippets, click Add New, and then choose Add Your Custom Code. Then click Add Custom Snippet. The type of snippet we're adding is a JavaScript snippet, so select that. Inside the code preview box, paste the JavaScript code you copied from the Elementor HTML Converter app. Now give the snippet a name. Then scroll down to the location setting. Click it and select Site-Wide Footer. As you can see, the instructions here also tell us to paste the code into the Site-Wide Footer area. That's all we need to do. Now activate the snippet and click Save Snippet. All right. Now let's go back to the front end of our Elementor website, reload the page, and see what happens. Awesome! Now our slider is working perfectly. All the other elements are sliding beautifully inside our Elementor hero section. Let's go back to Lovable and export the next section. I'll simply type export this section. The next section has been exported. I'll download it and then return to the Elementor HTML Converter app. I'll clear everything here, drag and drop the next section, leave the options turned on, then click Convert and Analyze just as before. Once it's finished, I'll download the Elementor JSON. Now I'll return to the Elementor editor and drag and drop the JSON template. You'll notice that some parts of the imported template appear blank. To fix that, simply go back to the app and copy the JavaScript snippet. I'll copy it, then come back here. As usual, click Add Snippet, then Add Custom Snippet. Select JavaScript Snippet. Paste the code, give it a name, select site-wide footer as the location, activate the snippet, and finally save it. Now, when I come back to the page and refresh it, you can see that everything is working, including the animations. So this is one of the easiest, fastest, and most SEO-friendly ways to clone or convert any AI-built website into Elementor. And if you want to add something custom, you can do that exactly as you normally would inside Elementor. Simply drag and drop your widgets, whether it's WooCommerce products, booking functionality, contact forms, or anything else you want to insert into the design, you can do it. It works with both Elementor Pro and the free version, so you can customize pretty much anything just as you normally would inside Elementor. This is one of the fastest and honestly one of the best ways to clone any website into Elementor. And like I said earlier, it's completely SEO friendly. I think this video is getting a little long, so I'll end it here. I'll leave all the applicable links in the description below. By the way, is it mobile friendly? Let's find out. And yes, it is 100% mobile friendly, as you can see. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.